Komomai, welcome. In today's video, we're taking you along for a perfect day on one of our favorite Greek islands, Rhodes. Whether you're visiting on a cruise or just have a little time, we'll show you exactly how we spent our day here while sailing on Celebrity Infinity. And the best part? You can experience everything we did without the added expense or effort of renting a car. From a beautiful swimming beach to local shopping, delicious bites, and even an unexpected haircut, we'll show you just how easy it is to do it all on foot. If you love travel and exploring new places, we'd love to have you subscribe and come along with us on all of our adventures. And if you're planning your next cruise, group trip, or vacation, I'd love to help as a certified travel advisor. Reach out anytime in the comments or at aloha@hawaiigirllife.com. We're so happy you're here with us. Let's get started. So we just got off the Celebrity Infinity and headed over to Rhodes. We did bypass the rental cars, decided to do it on foot. And Rhodes is a World Heritage City. We're in the Old Town. This is kind of the first area when you're first getting off of the ship that you're going to encounter. We decided to walk through it. A really good travel tip that we'd love to share with all of you is to get started early. So not only does it help when you're in peak summer heat like we were, but it's so nice to be able to see the town waking up. It's a lot less crowded. Not everything was open at this time. It was kind of opening up, but it was totally okay because some things were still open. We got to walk through. It was nice and cool. Even despite the heat wave that was going on, we got to get some really nice pictures without a ton of people in the way. It was just a really peaceful, nice way to explore the city. So really fun walking through this Old Town area, seeing all the souvenir shops, and there was a lot of really good shopping too. Stay tuned because we're going to come back to that on our way back to the ship. One of my favorite new places to shop at in Greece. Picked up a bunch of beautiful things at their different locations. But anyway, we're going to get back to that. Headed over to a very famous thing here in Rhodes, the Grand Master Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It has a lot of great mosaics and impressive halls. It's one of the best preserved castles in the Mediterranean, and it was once the administrative center of medieval Rhodes. Very interesting, built in the 14th century by the Knights of St. John. It was a very cool place to be able to check out. We made our way out of the Old Town toward their main shopping street area. You can see Sephora there in the background. This was such a cool street. It was really pretty. There were tons of shops. We kind of just spent a little time going in and out of them and picked up some pretty cool things, including, if you guys have been watching for any period of time, you know me, you know I love Pandora and I collect charms from all over the world. So I did pick up my Pandora and a few other pieces while we were here. But this is a really great one. And this was on the way to the beach, which we're super excited to show you guys. So this looks like the more local part of Rhodes, where the people that live here would come and shop and dine. Lots of summer sales going on. Love to look at this little cafe. Especially coffee brewers. It smells so good in here. Matcha latte and iced. It is so hot now. Almond milk and local honey here at this coffee roaster. It's a delicious matcha latte. Actually very authentic tasting. Very excited. Now we're on our way to the beach here. But first, we were super excited to find one of our favorites from Italy, Cope, and this is a supermarket, and they said that they had a lot of local products. So I'm always super curious to check out markets because I like to see what the local ingredients are. I love to cook, so maybe that's part of it. I love flavors and building flavors, but it was really neat to be able to see some of the local items and even just to see like their renditions of things like potato chips, right? Like Ruffles. That was pretty cool as well. It was a great place to stop and to get some snacks and some cold drinks on our way to the beach too, because it was so hot. You want to make sure that you hydrate. And we were able to pick up a lot of local products as souvenirs to take back home. Looks like they have a lot of products in Crete. Olive oils. Confused ones, some Rhodes, some more honey. I see some beautiful water. Okay, so we just found out that if you'd like to rent a chair here, it starts at 40 euro, goes up to like 60 euro for 2 chairs, really nice looking comfy loungers, and an umbrella, which seems like it's going to be so important here today. But you can't bring in any food and drinks, so you have to order it from them. But it's all day. I think that's a very reasonable cost to actually see everybody enjoying. This water looks glorious. I cannot wait to get in. Of course, the 40 euro chairs are going to be about 2 or 3 rows back. If you want the front row, I think it goes up to 60 euro. But still, I think that's so reasonable for 2. Okay, so we're thinking about renting a couple of sunbeds because it's, like I said again, such a fantastic deal. But I don't know if we're even going to be here for a couple of hours, and it's an all-day thing. So she did recommend that if we're just going to be here for a short period of time, just sit in the front and get a free little spot here on the beach, and that way we can have our own bottled water and whatever drinks and things. But it is pebbly, but look at how beautiful, and there's a place to jump. Okay, my hubby is gonna love this. It's just beautiful. Yeah, pro tip here, if you come to this beach, and actually many of the beaches here we found, bring your water shoes. They're really cheap on Amazon. I forgot mine in the room. I can't show you, but I did get a pair for like $8. We took them also to Positano when we swam there. It was very helpful to have because, again, it's not the super soft sand that we're used to. But I can't wait to dive in. I brought my snorkel. I'm excited to get going. I'll check the pronunciation for you guys later, but this is Elli Beach. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced here in Rhodes. Again, it's right through the old town. You can take a nice walk from the cruise port and be here in about 20 minutes or so, unless you stop along the way like we did. It took us about an hour because we did make quite a few stops, like at the castle, and of course to listen to some of the music that was there. Did a little shopping on the way. We got some cold drinks on the way here, and now we're at this spectacular beach. I was kind of wondering about this beach because it's not the most beautiful on the island. There are much more beautiful ones, golden sands and everything. But really, the water is kind of what we're more interested in, the beauty of the water, because we've got gorgeous beaches back home. And I just wanted to really be able to get in here and to swim. The water is just as amazing as the photos that I've seen at these other beaches here on different parts of the island. So super happy with this one. Again, we're here for a really, really short stop. So kind of trying to get a lot in our day. Decided not to go with the rental car, did the walking option, and this is where it took us. Also, if you're planning to kind of do your excursions on a little bit of a budget, maybe this would be another great option for you. Just take a walk. It's so charming. It's nice. It is a little warm, so bring your sun hat, your umbrella, sunscreen, and all of that. But come walk out to the beach. You're going to pass some nice cafes and shops along the way, some beautiful architecture, be able to soak up that local culture, the sights and sounds and smells, and really be able to get a good grasp of what Rhodes is like. So I'm excited. I actually remembered to bring my snorkel today. I didn't remember this in Mykonos day, but I got my crusty snorkel. Got this off of Amazon. We'll share the link with you guys on the bottom. I do like this brand. I've been using it for about 10 years now. Okay, so I just got out of the water here, and it is absolutely incredible. The water is so refreshing and so nice. Definitely recommend this. I'm super excited. This is like a bucket list item for me to come here to the Greek islands and to be able to swim in this beautiful turquoise water. To be able to snorkel here is super exciting for me too, because I love to snorkel. And the water, it's really nice. It doesn't feel like super salty after, which is actually kind of nice because we're going to be going into town to shop and have some lunch and then head back to the ship as well. So if you're here on Rhodes for a cruise stop, definitely come to this beach. It's not far at all. It's actually very easy to get to. You're going to see some nice things along the way. And you have to experience this water. It is absolutely incredible. So Rhodes Gluten Free is tucked away just a little ways from the street. It is right behind this gelato spot here off of the main road. You can definitely just throw it into your Google Maps and you'll be able to find it. Gave us really good walking directions. Of course, they have coffees and everything, but we were most interested in their spanakopita and other phyllo-based pastries, savory ones, and a sweet one. We had to try the baklava. So Really excited to get our food. They're very, very particular about not having any outside food with gluten to avoid cross-contamination. So if you're celiac, I would think that this would be a very safe place to eat. They also have vegan options. So here's a gluten-free baklava. We have a chicken pie, chicken and mushroom pie, and a phyllo, and then traditional spanakopita, which is a spinach cheese pie. We got some gluten-free pita and different dips. Hummus, tzatziki, and I think a beetroot one. We're eating at the lunch at Gluten-Free Rhodes. Look at what we found. Oh, you are so sweet. Did he just come up to you?
I came over here and he came up to me. I called him.
Oh, orange cats are so friendly. Smells incredible.
Tamales, Greek donut. Oh wow, it's soft. It kind of has like a mochi donut type of look to it. It's so soft, it's so hot. Ooh, excited about this. This is the closest to a poi mochi, like a poi mochi donut. Oh, it's so hot. That's perfect. Thank you for sharing. That was awesome.
Here in Rhodes, we're gonna get a beard cleanup and shrimp.
This will like clean up a little bit. I've been away from home for a while, so okay.
What do you think?
I think you got a really nice job. I was kind of worried because I go to the same guy all the time in Honolulu, but yeah, I think you did a fantastic job.
Looks really nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. See, when you go on Google, you put a pin. I went there, I went there, I went there. So now we put from Hawaii a pin.
Yeah, cool. Thanks so much, guys.
You're the first ones from Hawaii.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Yeah, thank you so much.
Every country
Yeah.
the world, they
the
other
other
one.
one.
Yeah, I'm in Hawaii now. Yeah, thank you so much.
Nice meeting you.
So wonderful meeting you.
Holiday.
We will. Thank you. Okay, it's barbershop.
Super excited to come here again. I didn't know what I was going to get out of it, but the barber, he is so experienced and he did such a nice job. I'm so happy. So I can't wait to get Don and Dwayne over here so that they can go ahead and get theirs done too.
Nice fresh cut. Everything looks super good, super sharp. And they were so super nice on top of it all. Definitely come here and support them when you're in Rhodes. So right next to the barber shop, we have this really nice men's store. They have really beautiful linen and cotton shirts, all made here in Greece. Really loving these. I like this one in particular, 100% cotton. And of course they have their linens. They have some of the same donkey shorts that we saw over in Mykonos. They're just a little bit cheaper here, but they're shorts, really, really nice cotton gauze. And just a lot of different beautiful colors. Long sleeve linen shirts. Look at this beautiful yellow one. And just to give you an idea of prices, it's on sale for $49.50, and that's in euro. Long sleeve, 100% linen, really, really good cotton. Really, really good cotton, really, really good quality European linen made right here in Greece. It's a beautiful store full of really nice clothing, all different kinds of prints. So we chose a couple of blue linen shirts, an aqua in this beautiful French blue, and then a couple of these in this 100% cotton print. They're so light and airy and breathable. It's going to be perfect for the hot, humid Hawaii weather. And of course, these two are linen. They are just beautiful. So 4 shirts, really, really nice. We're going to get one for a gift for my nephew. Hopefully he loves it and wears it. He's been working up on the mainland in a pretty hot desert area, so this is going to be really nice for him, for a nice shirt to wear out. Okay, so I'm not a fan of the paisley suit, but I actually really like this one. That's pretty special, and they are made in Italy.
Come on, that pink paisley right there.
Oh, not a fan of paisley at all, but I really like the print of this one. What does the price look like? Just to give an idea. So it's only 90 euro. That is a steal for this beautiful suit jacket made in Italy. Okay, so we got our package all ready to go. And oh, She's gonna get a hat and put on.
It's no plastic. It's very good quality.
Very good quality. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we just got gifted a very nice hat. So the people here in Greece are so lovely. Everywhere we've gone, they've been wanting to give us gifts and things, so kind. And with the shirts, they did give us this gift of this hat. Take a look in here. I just see this in the celebrity for sure. Or the newsletter for today. €50 for this nice linen shirt. They have some beautiful prints and things. So we're going to go ahead and take a look in here and see if we can find something. I have been on the hunt for a blue linen dress. See if we can find the correct shade of blue. Hello. Thank you. Okay, I'm looking for a dress. Oh, what do you think?
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. It's such a beautiful store.
Made in Greece, everything, of course. Pure linen. We have a lot of store in all island in Greece. We have very nice dresses, trousers, shirts for you.
I absolutely love this dress in Santorini blue. Look at how gorgeous it is. That color just is so crazy, so vivid. I love this shirt as well. Look at that. I love that print. So bright and pretty. Oh, it is?
Senora Mo, this is very nice.
I know. I love it.
My husband came, it's super. And it's half price at that price.
Half price? Wow.
Yes, please, try.
So are getting this beautiful linen shirt. So I hope you did decide to get it. Love it. And here we go. So definitely come and check them out. They're the sweetest ladies here. And I'm super excited to get this absolutely beautiful dress. So excited. My Santorini blue. And then we're also going to get this blue and white one as well. So gorgeous. You definitely have to come and get one of these as a souvenir when you're here in Rhodes. Look at that Santorini blue color. Just gorgeous. Made in Greece. Can't get any better for a special souvenir.
I found this tiny little gray kitten, and it's so sweet. And I gave him some food, and the lady that was at the one of the vendors nearby, she's like, "You probably won't eat that. Just eat." So they said they take good care of it.
Hats of Rhodes, Greece. Hi, kitty. You have another good life. My mama says it's the kind of shop that she would stop at shop. It's so elegant, so beautiful. Thanks again so much for spending the day with us here in Rhodes. We hope it gave you lots of awesome ideas for planning your own visit. And we'd love to have you subscribe and come along with us on all of our other travel adventures as well. If you're planning your next cruise, group trip, or vacation, let us help. As a certified travel advisor, I can help you create an unforgettable trip. Reach out anytime to us in the comments or at aloha@hawaiigirllife.com. And if you're curious about sailing on Celebrity Infinity or would like more ideas for exploring the Greek islands, be sure to check out the rest of our videos from this incredible cruise. As always, we're sending you sunshine and aloha, this time from one of our favorite Greek islands, beautiful Rhodes.